Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you my pantry slash utility room makeover. So this room is very small. It's only 1.2 by 2.3 metres, so the amount of things that I wanted to fit in here did prove a little bit of a squeeze. So initially I wanted to have a slimline dishwasher and a washing machine in here, but due to issues with the gas meter not being able to be changed into a smart meter, I had to stick with just a full-size dishwasher. So I've been able to fit in an American fridge freezer, albeit a slimline one, a full-size dishwasher and plenty of shelving for my bits and bobs. The room was pretty useless as it was before I started. There was a huge cupboard in there which was just not fit for storage whatsoever. There were small doors on it, the panelling was all scuffed and chipped, so that needed a good repaint. Because I am going to be changing this in the future, it's all going to get knocked through, including this wall behind me, to make a much larger kitchen extension. I did want to just do this kind of on a budget and make it look as nice as I could for the 12 to 18 months until the kitchen extension actually goes ahead. Let's get into it and I will show you the makeover. My first job was starting by removing some of the shelving that was already existing in there. This was so that I could actually fit in the fridge freezer. Because of the shelving being so low, it wouldn't have fit in without me doing this. So this did make a bit of a mess of the walls, so once the shelving was removed, I did have to chip away at some of the plaster. Some of the plaster did come away, so I needed to patch that up and then piece over it with some lining paper to then get on with redecorating. Once the decorating was out of the way, I decided to lay some new laminate flooring. The old stuff was really warped, it had obviously got wet, so I wanted to go with a nice neutral grey colour, so I finished it off with edging trims and it looked so much better. I absolutely love the flooring there now. I then got on with building a frame for the integrated dishwasher. I added an MDF on top and a little hatch so that I could still access the gas meter to do the meter readings. I then covered the MDF top with some DC Fix. I think this is a concrete one and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I really love it. So it was then time to get on with putting everything back in there and getting it looking great. I use my Dymo label maker to make some labels for various things. I have a little box to keep my recipe cards from HelloFresh, and I've got lots of jars with my baking stuff in. That's going to be kept in the pantry. I do have some other ones of these which may get brought in at a later date, but I love how you can just see what's in the jars, and I was using the shelf organisers to pop everything up on the top shelf. Some shelf inserts as well so that things could go under the shelves, and these little boxes from IKEA to keep some other bits in, labelled up so that I could see exactly what was in them. I then got on with organising everything on the top shelf. I do have a little step stool so that I can get access up here quite easily, but to be honest I'm not much of a baker, so I wouldn't be going up there for these jars in the near future at least anyway. So I got everything displayed nicely. As I said, there may be some more jars that are added up onto here at a later date, but I just set everything out in the middle so that it looks nice as you go in and it's not too cluttered. I also decided to use some other storage boxes to hide away some treats, so I've filled one up with some crisps and snacks so they can easily be pulled down from the top shelf and grabbed out. These are things that I find take up so much room if you put them in the kitchen cupboard. And I've got another one which is storing some more baking equipment and some tapas dishes, which again can easily be pulled off from the top shelf and pulled out as and when needed. I already had this memo board which wasn't very useful, to be honest. It's supposed to be so that you can put magnets on it, but I always found that it never really held things up, so I cut a little bit of ribbon and tied some clips onto it so that I could put it on the wall and easily display heavier things such as lists, notepads and things like that. And I absolutely love this because now I can have a place to put things that isn't going to fall off, so I really like this. So I think you'll agree there's a massive improvement in here. I really like how it's turned out. I probably will add a little bit more to it over the next couple of months because I am still in the process of organising my kitchen, so there will probably be a little bit more storage that goes in here just to take things out of the kitchen. But I love that I've got a coffee station in here now, so I can have my coffee machine hidden away in here rather than being out on the side in the kitchen. I've got everything that I need for it, all of my coffee pods, a sugar pot and some mugs, so I don't need to be having all of that out on the side making a mess in the kitchen. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, check out some more of my videos and subscribe if you want to see some more from me. So thanks very much for watching guys, and I will see you in the next video.